Hi guys, John here, head of trading at AudaCity Capital. Hope you're well. Right, so it's been a while since I've had the privilege of talking about one of our traders on the Funded Trader program who achieved 10%. So today that moment has returned, and now I'm going to be talking about one of our traders on the Funded Trader program, Obsy. He came on board with us on the 14th of April. That's when he joined the Funded Trader program, starting managing $15,000 trading book. And he has hit his 10% today. We have paid him and doubled his account. So now he's managing 30,000 US dollars. Okay. So I just want to talk about his journey from how he got to 15,000 to 30,000, what trades he took, the volumes he used, and how he spread the risk and so on. Okay, so this is his trading history. Okay, more or less. So if we just go to all history here, okay, we can see that this person has done all these trades since the beginning, all the way up until we paid him half the profits and doubled the account. So let's see how he's done it. Okay, so as you can see, he has spread the risk more or less. Okay, 0.1, 0.3, 0.5. Okay, some trades he went over the maximum exposure as it was approved by risk management, I take it. This is due to his good performance and decent risk management. Okay, so he used some pending orders in the process and obviously some manual execution. So again, guys, if you're doing well and you are making money in the markets and you do have good risk management, flexibility will be allowed. Okay, I've said that before and I've said it again. So what currencies has he traded? So he's traded major currency pairs. I can see cross currency pairs. I can see most of his wins were on the pound. Okay, some of the euro cross pairs as well, taking advantage of market volatility. Okay, as I said before, and I'll say it again, the markets are moving. We're getting big swings on an intraday basis. So to make money in the markets, to catch a huge number of pips, it's quite possible at this moment in time. And, here's the proof. Numbers don't lie. So, as you can see, he's diversified. So he's traded cross pairs and major currency pairs. If we can just take a look at his performance, so he's obviously started off with decent gains. He's had a big loss here, okay, but as you can see, if you're losing a big amount, you're just as equally making a big amount. Okay, so basically it's all about money management, guys. So, if you're risking big, you have to aim for a high reward. And as we can see from this person, the way he's done that was great. So he would lose a good chunk, but he would also, see there's another big chunk there, but he would also equally make it back. So this is very crucial in terms of your trading. Now, in terms of volume, some trades were slightly a bit of high risk. Okay, others were just below the maximum exposure. So, again, this was approved by the risk management team due to his performance. Okay, very small drawdown, of course, and good risk management. So, guys, he came on board on the 14th of April. Today is the 6th of May. He's made his 10%. That's literally under a month. That's just 3 weeks, okay, to be exact. He traded the currency markets, no commodities, no indices. Took advantage of the big moves. Okay, the same opportunities and the same moves that are present to you guys, okay, to you the traders, he took advantage of the same opportunities, and he basically, the same moves that you could have traded as well, and he made the 10%. So all I can say is, using pending orders, manual execution, a variety of lot sizes, okay, spreading the risk, choosing the best markets to trade, buying low, selling high, good risk management, risk to reward ratios. That's the way to do it. It's not impossible, okay? The opportunities are there, okay? You can make money in the markets. You can make 10% in a short space of time. So for those of you guys who are worried about, taking 3, 4, 5 months, it could be done in under a month, which means you could make back the money you paid up front to join the Funded Trader program and more. Okay, and now you could be on stage 2, just like he is, managing a $30,000 trading book, working towards your next 10%. So congratulations to Obsy Ohini. Hopefully in the near future I'll be talking about his next stage, how he went from 30 to 60 when he makes his next 10%. And to all of you guys out there who still have some doubts, who still have some question marks, here is another proof. Okay, here are the facts right in front of you that it is possible to make 10% with our parameters, and obviously risk management allowing flexibility if they see you are doing well, because numbers don't lie. And we've paid and doubled for him on the same day. Okay, same day he hit his target, and now he's on stage 2. So I hope this is a wake-up call for you guys to realize that the time is still now to make money in the markets, and hopefully you can come on board with us as well and do the same, if not better. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Bye.